how to turn on app protections on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So you will see security and privacy is here, so click on security and privacy. Now here, so click on app security. So after click on app security, click on app permissions. So after click on app permissions, so click on app. So if you want to turn on app protection, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see app protection is turned on. So after turn on app protection, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on app protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.